coastline, midday Texas sun, misty rain in the Smoky Mountains, out here on the run. Lights of New York City, streets of Boston town, Golden Gate in San Francisco, Seattle's Puget Sound. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. Arizona desert, Colorado mountain snow, Arches out in Utah, Montana, Idaho, Grand Tetons in Wyoming, Oregon's Everglades, rolling hills of the Carolinas, Kentucky and Tennessee. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town. Seen so many places, still don't know where I'm bound. No matter how far I travel, I'll always find my way back home. When I start to feel my life unravel, I know I'm not alone. Thunderstorms in Oklahoma, wind sweeping down the plain, sand dunes up in Michigan, the rocky shores of Maine, Indiana hardwoods, a Midwest summer day.
Crazy Adventures. My name is Ethan, this is Liam, as you all know. Today we're back down the hives. We're doing a bit of hives.
Hives, we said hives, nice.
We're doing a bit of beekeeping again today, and I'll pass it over to Liam now. And what are we generally doing today?
Just put it in the next box on, ready for my honey.
Lovely.
Nothing.
Right by here we've got a few frames, as you all see. This is one main layer now, which is going to be going back in. We've got to set them along here. Liam's going to quickly go in, check on the honey and see how the bees have been processing over the weeks. But yeah, here we go. Liam's by there. We've got the main frames and all that.
I thought of that.
We're going over to his main hive now. I'll take that into note. Just take a swamp bite here. Right. Remember last time I was around this point I got stung by a bee. He's smoking the hive now, and to calm down the bees.
Yes, I think you find them right.
There's one down by there flying about. Now they're all gathering up. He's unstrapping the top of his hive as we watch now. Smoking the hive down again. making sure all the bees are nicely calm before he takes off the main top lid where all the frames are. Hopefully we'll have some lovely honey in that. He's wearing his protective bee suit so he doesn't get stung. And here he goes as he takes off the top main layer. See the boxes there. Smoking in now. When he lifts up this, there are all the frames where all the honey is gathered up on, and all the bees are amongst. Most of the bees are in the middle, but as he takes our main layer off now, you will see the difference within the bees and all that. As you can see, that thing he's got in his hand is helping him get the main layers off from his hive. Now you've got the bit which stops the honey from spreading into the other bit. Just checking the hives as we go. Placing that one alongside now. He's going to be taking this green layer off now, which protects the layers between each frames. Loads of bees down on the bottom. All the bees are gathering around now. The moment he lifts up these frames now, the bees will spawn all around it. Hopefully there'll be some lovely honey along the frames. There usually is. But he's smoking down the main frames now, where all the bees are. Calming the bees down. He's got one frame by there which he's checking. It looks clean on that one, doesn't look like there's much on that frame. Looks like that one might have a bit of honey on. So, I am going to be going over, heading over to checking the layer, frame by frame. Smoking it down again. The bees are all gathering around him. Closer view up now. I am closer to the hive. Look at that. There are all the bees. And they're all gathered on the honey. Looks like there's quite a bit of honey on that, isn't it, Liam?
No, you wish it was, but not.
But as all the bees are scattering around their honey, he's looking calmly down at the bees, checking both sides of the frame. And he just said the queen bee is amongst those right now, as he slowly places the frame back into the main layer of his hive. Another layer comes out as the bees scatter around, checking side by side. As you can see, he's not fully tilting them up. The reason for that is, if you tilt it all the way up, the honey either splits and it comes out, or the actual bees will spawn straight up at you. So he's doing tilting it so it sort of go away from him in a bit. Looks nice on that one. All gathered around. But yeah, I mean, beekeeping is quite intriguing. What he's doing right now, he's pushing all the main, on top of his main frames, whatever wax or honey which is like clipped on. As you can hear in the background as well, we are in a chicken farm. And yeah, as I was saying, Liam is scraping off all the wax and all that main leftover honey which was on the top of frame, which is poured on top. That one looks like it's got a lot of honey on that. Some decent honey amongst that bit there. But it's so intriguing. Right now he's placing the main layers back on now. So he's putting that main base on now, which obstructs and keeps the bees from separating and stops the straining of honey going into the things.
I got stung twice in the arse. Well, see.
As you can see, the main layers, but there, he's placed that now, one main base onto it. He's sawing out the frames so they're nicely evenly leveled out. So it's perfectly leveled out and it's ready for check-in next time. But yeah, now he's got the new main layer box. He's going to be placing that on top now, and he'll be sorting out the main frame trays now, put them into level out before he puts the lid back on. But if you are planning to start your own honey hive, harvesting some nice honey, this is part of the process you will have to go through. Now he's got the main lid now, which goes on top before the actual main top of the lid goes on top of that, which straps down. This is a level out alongside the hive, so it's nicely steady. Has grabbed the main base, which he's going to be placing on top of his hive. He securely places it on top, as he will now get the straps and strap it up so it's nicely secured, so it does not fall apart and it doesn't fall over. It protects the hive and the honey. So, well, as you see, he's tightened up the straps. He's checking how secured it is right now. He's got a smoker. He smokes down the bees again to calm them down. After he has smoked down them now, he's levels out the bees and the hive in general. But yeah. Now that's all secured, it's all strapped up. Liam's going to personally tell you what he's personally done today. So Liam,
Yes.
I've gone through and explained step by step what you've personally done, but if you could explain and say what you've personally done and the process of it all in general.
First done. We put a second super on for no reason. Well, there's reason actually. What, end of March?
End of March, right?
In April. Well, in April you'll have a lot of flowers in and my honey. So we're going to put, I'll put another third one on in a couple of weeks. Probably not. When the flowers do come ready, don't know bring a horse on tranquilize darts.
Lovely.
So we should have the first box, first one ready within beginning of May.
End of May.
Beginning of May. Second box, August.
August. Happy days.
We'll leave those there until then, and then I'll come along.
You should have some lovely
Probably
honey
in a
on.
couple days then, 4. I'll stick on another 2 more boxes, and I don't know. Should have a few to take off ready by then.
Happy days.
I hope.
And are you during the process? You said you saw the queen bee.
I did, yes. Only one.
Um,
Might mark her, but mark her.
but yeah,
Might mark the queen some point in the summer, but I'm doubtful I'll do that because I don't feel a need for it. Because I know she's there anyway, and no point marking the queen anymore. Leave her as this, I'm sure.
thank you, Liam. Thank you for showing us that. Another bee show for you lot. I hope you enjoyed it and seemed really interesting. And I've enjoyed the experience of it today. And
Viewers now.
does teach you a lot about honey.
When the hell are you going to buy a silk and good meat?
But yeah, this is Liam in his bee suit. We're from Crazy Adventures. Hope you enjoyed the show. Subscribe below and follow us along our Crazy Adventures. Ethan/Liam's Crazy Adventures. I've got a bee on me, as he says, and as long as it doesn't sting me, I'm happy. But yeah, I mean, follow us, subscribe to our channel. The red button down the bottom, and we're going back out now. And but yeah, I mean, beekeeping is really intriguing, and but yeah, it's a lot of fun, and I hope this helps you lot and gives you a bit of insight about beekeeping. Well, I'm going to say goodbye from me, Ethan, goodbye from Liam, and you've been watching Crazy Adventures. Subscribe below, Ethan/Liam's Crazy Adventures. I will catch you in the next show.